Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises both style and substance, the Rachael Ray Cucina 12-piece non-stick cookware set in sea salt gray. This set aims to be your go-to for everyday cooking, offering a comprehensive collection of pots, pans, and even essential utensils. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what you actually get in this 12-piece set. It includes a 1-quart saucepan and a 3-quart saucepan, both with their own lids, a generous 6-quart stockpot with a lid, an 8.5-inch frying pan and a 10-inch frying pan, and a 3-quart sauté pan also complete with a lid. But that's not all. Rachael Ray has also thrown in a slotted turner and a slotted spoon, making this a pretty complete starter kit right out of the box. Now, the construction. These pots and pans are crafted from durable aluminum, which is fantastic for promoting fast and even heat distribution. This means fewer hot spots and more consistent cooking results. The exteriors are coated with a sturdy hard-enamel porcelain, and in this case, the sea salt gray finish is genuinely quite attractive, adding a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. They're designed to be long-lasting and, importantly, good-looking. The star of the show for many will be the non-stick surface. Rachael Ray calls this next-level non-stick, and they're not kidding around. We've tested this extensively, and food release is indeed impressive. Even delicate items like eggs, which are notorious for sticking, glide right off. This feature alone makes cleanup a breeze. Forget endless scrubbing. A quick wash and they're ready to go again. Comfort and control are also high on the priority list with this set. The silicone grip handles on both the cookware and the lids are designed to be incredibly comfortable to hold, providing a secure and non-slip grip even when your hands might be a little wet. These handles are solidly attached with double rivets, ensuring they can handle the weight of food and frequent use without loosening. The glass lids are shatter-resistant, giving you peace of mind while you peek at your simmering sauces. When it comes to versatility, these pieces are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a great feature for dishes that start on the stovetop and finish in the oven. They are compatible with most stovetops, though it's important to note they are not induction compatible. So, if you have an induction cooktop, you'll want to look elsewhere. The included utensils are also a nice touch, made from nylon so they won't scratch that precious non-stick surface. Rachael Ray stands by their product with a limited lifetime warranty, which is always a reassuring sign of a company's confidence in their cookware's durability. Beyond the product itself, there's a feel-good aspect to this purchase. A portion of the proceeds from these sets goes to Yummo, a non-profit dedicated to helping children and families develop healthy relationships with food and cooking. So, you're not just getting a good set of cookware, you're also contributing to a great cause. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, the excellent non-stick performance is a major win. The even heating from the aluminum base is also commendable. The comfortable handles, attractive design, and the inclusion of essential utensils round out a very appealing package. The oven-safe feature and the warranty add significant value. However, there are a couple of points to consider. The biggest limitation is their incompatibility with induction cooktops. If induction is your primary cooking method, this set won't work for you. While the hard enamel exterior is durable, it's still a finish that can eventually show wear and tear with aggressive cleaning or constant banging, although for everyday use, it holds up well. Also, while the silicone handles are comfortable, they are not oven-safe to the same temperature as the pots and pans themselves, so you'll want to be mindful of that when transferring from stovetop to oven. In conclusion, the Rachael Ray Cucina 12-piece non-stick cookware set in sea salt gray is a solid choice for home cooks looking for a stylish, functional, and relatively affordable cookware set. It excels in non-stick performance and ease of cleaning, and the thoughtful design of the handles and lids makes cooking a more enjoyable experience. While the lack of induction compatibility is a drawback for some, for a vast majority of kitchens, this set offers great value and versatility. Link in the description.